What do you think about getting in after pullbacks? Oh, so glad you asked, Matt. I'm not saying there's no money to be had on this day. I am not saying we can't trade anything. We just got to sit on our hands. What I am saying is that trading to the upside against the current is a little dangerous. So how about we don't play that game? On the days when I recognize that, man, this is a sustained drop, right? I'm showing up, I'm turning on my computer, it's like 10, 20. I'm seeing this pretty big drop. Looks like sellers are in control. Great. Well, here's the mistake people make. They look for some big candle like this. That's what it looked like. And we'll short this guy. Because that looks like pretty strong to the downside. Oh, and then it doesn't finish that way. It reverses on us. Comes all the way back up green. We close it out for a loss. Frustrated. Or we try to short this one. Or this one. So what's the problem with all those entries? Trying to get it here, or here, or here, or here, or here. What do all those have in common? Do you notice my 5, the yellow, right here? For all those entries, are those near the 5? It is a falling 5, which gives me my trend. Good point, Ken. It gives me my clues, right? Is it near? But these entries that I'm talking about, that would have been ways to mess up the downtrend. How do you mess up? Like when it's falling like this, how can I screw it up, right? Well, here's how. Are these entries near the 5 or away from the 5? They're away from the 5, right? After the stock is pushed away from the 5, and you can do it on the 2-minute chart too. After the stock is pushed away, we're going to short it and then be mad and close the trade. And then it works. Oh, I should have held on. Okay, I'll try it again. I'll go short. No, man, I'm losing money. Out. Oh, geez. Okay, this time I'll get it. This time it'll work. Oh, right? This is the opposite way to trade. This is the way to screw up a trend. When you identify there's a trend happening, at least what I like to do, let me just go on the 2-minute chart. Okay? Let the thing come back. Let it pull back to the 5 and look for where, or the 20, and look for where the green takes out the red. Yeah, the rubber band snaps it back. And you're going to get it right at the point when the rubber band's about to snap. So if the trend is down, right, the 5-minute chart tells me direction. I want to trade down. Yeah, that's a Homer Simpson. If Homer Simpson was a trader, I think that's what he would do, right? So the trend is down. How do I capitalize on it? I want to trade to the downside. What I like to do is I like to let it pull back. Look at this. Now that's a little early in the day. Let's get it later in the day. Let's say it's already moving. It's already done this. It's already moving. Let's let it pull back and look for where does a red take out a green near the 20. Do you see this one? The red takes out the green near the 20. Boom. Profit take. Get out. Get in, get out. Let it pull back. Where does this? Nope, doesn't take out the low. Nope, doesn't take out the low. Where does this low get taken out? Red takes out the green. There. In. Am I near the 20? Yes. Get in. Let the thing work. When it gets away from my 5, I'm out. That's away. I maybe even got out here. Do it again. Red takes out the green. Oh, this one didn't work. May not have been close enough to my 20. Didn't work. Lost one. Right on the 20. Right about that. Red takes out the green. Here's my stop up above it. Right? Bam. That works. If I didn't get that one, where's another possibility? Can you see these possibilities starting to pop out at you? How about this one? Red takes out the green. Stop up above. Winner. Red takes out the green. Stop up above. Winner. Here's a red takes out the green. Here's a red takes out the green. Winner. Let it pull back. This isn't quite close enough, but you could do it. Red takes out the green. Winner. Does that make sense what I'm showing you? All these are potential entries. Which one's right? All of them work. There's a boatload of money to be made on a trending day if you can identify, A, that it's trending. So I don't have to worry. I don't have to fear the pullback, but I'll put my stop up on top in case. All right. So again, enter, stop, bam, win the trade. Let it pull back. Enter, stop, win the trade. Maybe even this one. Maybe even this one. But I don't want to enter when I'm away from the 5. I want to enter after it's come back near the 5. Even better if it's near the 20. It's just a little bit of pullback. I actually really like this one. I like this one because you can see like we're not able to shift. We're not able to shift. We're getting slammed down. So the next time it pulls back, where does the red take out the green? Stop up above. Bam. Look at that beauty. You see what I'm pointing out? Red takes out the green. Okay, good question. What I mean is this. When we're looking for a pullback and I'm looking for a short entry, pick out any green candle that you see, mark out the low of that candle. When I get a red candle that gets below that line, the red is now below that green. That's my entry. Does that picture make sense? It doesn't have to be right on the 5. The more it pulls back, usually the better slingshot effect you're going to have. So again, think about the way this, look at the way this interacts with the 20. Just look, it gets away from the 20. You see my blue 20? I don't have the pink stars, just a blue line. Okay, let's watch this. What does price do? It gets away from the 20, snaps back. Gets away from the 20, snaps back. A little bit away, snaps back. Gets away, snaps back. Gets away, snaps back. I still like getting CTDs hiccup because I don't need that much of a move.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comment section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.